In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create subtotal in Microsoft Excel. If you want to quickly summarize values by category, Excel's subtotal feature is a simple and very useful tool. In this example, we'll create subtotals for salary amounts based on department, so you can see the total salary for each group without having to build formulas manually. To begin, make sure your data is organized in a table with clear column headers. The most important part before creating a subtotal is sorting the data properly. Excel groups subtotal results based on changes in a specific column. So if your data is not sorted first, the subtotal rows will appear in the wrong places. Start by selecting the table that contains your data. Once the table is selected, go to the Data tab and choose Sort. In the Sort options, sort the department column from A to Z. This step groups all matching departments together, which is exactly what Excel needs in order to insert subtotal lines correctly. After the data has been sorted, you're ready to insert the subtotal. Select any cell inside the table, then click the Data tab again. From there, choose Subtotal. This opens the subtotal dialog box, where you'll tell Excel how you want the summary to be calculated. In the dialog box, set at each change in to department. This tells Excel to create a new subtotal every time the department value changes. Next, set Use Function to Sum, since we want Excel to add the values together. Then, under Add Subtotal to, select Salary. This tells Excel which columns should be totaled for each department. Once those options are set, click OK. Excel will automatically insert subtotal rows throughout your table, along with a grand total at the bottom. You may also notice outline controls on the left side of the worksheet. These let you expand or collapse the detailed rows, which makes the report easier to read and present. And that's it. You've successfully created subtotals in Microsoft Excel. This is a great feature for summarizing grouped data quickly, especially when working with lists like departments, categories, regions, or teams. Just remember that sorting the data first is the key step that makes everything work correctly.